Hi, this is Paulette Chapman, your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. I just have a few things that I got today in the mail, and I just wanted to show you. I got, and we need this, especially since it's spring. I wear more makeup when the weather's nice. I brought some more brush cleaner from Mary Kay because I've been doing a whole lot of makeup lately, especially the foundation. And I have been really using up my brush cleaner. So this is a really good product. It's let me make sure I'm giving you the right price for my brush cleaner. Is it $12? Yes, ma'am. It is $12 for the brush cleaner. Okay. And I want to show you also my brush collection. It is well used. Let me show you. Now, this is the 5-piece collection. Excuse me. Okay. You got your smudge brush, your crease brush, your all over eyeshadow. You have your cheek brush and your all over face brush. Very nice product, very good quality. The collection is $56. You can go up on my website, marykay.com/MK by Paulette C. Let me show you something. This is one of my favorites. It's also a makeup applicator. Very nice. I love this. I use it quite often. And also my foundation brush. Oh my gosh, this is a game changer. I'm old school. I used to put foundation on with just my hands. I'd rub it on like lotion, rub it all over my face, and hope for the best. But now, excuse me, I can blend properly. I still sometimes put it on with my hands, but I go over my face very quickly with my foundation brush, and I blend, and all over my face. And I'm telling you, it's a game changer. It makes your makeup look so smooth. And as you can see, it's due for another cleaning. I've been using a lot of makeup lately. And this is also something that I love. We got these waterproof eyeliners back in stock. This one is blue. I ordered 10 because they're very popular. And when they first brought them out, they ran out so quick. And this is the color that it is. If you could see it, it's really nice. I love this, and I wear this quite often. And I like the brown too. And sometimes the brown, may not be my favorite, but I use it for lip liner. So I am, since these products are interchangeable, I wear the brown one on my lips, and along with my chocolate nude lip gloss, and the brown that looks really nice. And then I top it off with my red stiletto or my Poppy Please lipstick. So, and the lip liners are 14. I have 10, and if you'd like to get them from me, and these are serious inquiries only. Okay, 336-978-2112. Text me and let me know, hey, I would like to order this. Send me a link, and I will send you a link that goes straight to Mary Kay. Okay, and I do not accept emails. I do not click on emails. You have to go up on my website, register, sign up and register, and then you will get, if you order from the website, you will get a 10% discount from now until the 9th of May, and I'll probably go in and tweak it and extend it until at least the 19th. So let me know. These blue eyeliners, they are the bomb. And I have brown, and I have steely gray and black. These are really nice. Okay. Thank you for watching my little short unboxing. And y'all have a blessed day. Bye.